warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alfitan Ralifatun Aziza. My name 332102123. And I'm here. I want to tell my project is I choose the title is surface structure. Next, introduction. A surface structure is the outward form of a word of a sentence. This means that it is the version of a sentence that is seen or heard. Surface structure follow grammar and syntax rules to make them usable and understandable in everyday context. Next. Concept of surface structure. A sentence surface structure is its external form, or the way its words are arranged for use to see and hear. It is the outward expression of a sentence underlying grammatical structure. For instance, the cat sat on the mat has the following surface structure. The first, word order. Word order surface structure is determined by the order of words. In a sentence, the order of words can signal different grammatical relationships and meaning. So the second process, surface structure, also reflects the grouping of words into process are unit of meaning that can be combined to form large unit. The third, functional word. Functional word surface structure include functional words such as article, preposition, and conjunction with signal grammatical relationship. So the last, inflection. Surface structure also incorporate inflection such as verb ending, which indicate grammatical feature like tense, number, and person. Next. In transformational roles, the roles and their roles in surface structure. A group of operations known as transformational roles alter a sentence structure. Their task is to determine the surface structure based on the deep structure. Movement, deletion, and instruction are a few examples of transformation. A single deep structure can give rise to a variety of surface structure. Thanks to this law, criteria restrictions and requirements apply while applying transformational rules. The first, deep structure. The first deep structure is the underlying representation of a sentence. The second, transformational rules. A rule changes the structure of a sentence. The last surface structure is the actual form of a sentence. Next. Syntactic category and their surface representation. Syntax categories are groups of words that share similar grammatical properties. For example, noun, verb, adjective, and adverb are all syntactic categories. Each syntactic category has a distinct surface structure. Representation, for example, nouns typically function as the subject or object of a verb, of a verb, will, verb expression, action, or stats. The first category, surface structure representation. The second, noun, function as subject or object of a verb. The third, verb expresses action or states. The fourth, adjective modifies a noun, and last, adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Next. Process structure, rules, and their impact on surface. Collection of limitation known as phrases construction rules. This cases how words are put together to form phrases. In a sentence, they delineate the relationship between word and phrases. For surface structure to be general, correctly phrased structure rules are necessary. A rule such as noun phrase to determine noun indicate form instead noun phrase might consist of determine and noun. This guideline aids in the creation of a surface structure that is grammatically sound. Next, ambiguity and surface structure. When a sentence might have more than one meaning, it is ambiguous. When a word switch might be perceived differently depending on the context. Surface structure can become unclear. The reason for this is that a single surface structure might have multiple underlying structure overlay into it. For instance, there are two. Me to understand the line. I saw the man with the telescope. Either way, the man of the telescope or I am the one using it. Ambiguity sentence, a sentence that has multiple possible meaning. So multiple underlying structure, the same surface structure can be generated from different deep structure leading to ambiguity. Next. The role of context in interpreting surface structure. Understanding surface structure requires an understanding of context. Context makes refer to the situation in which the sentence is being said, the speaker objective, and the sentence that surround it, clarifying the intended meaning and disambiguating unclear sentence can be aided by context. When used the context of an astronomy club meeting or a street counter, for instance, the line "I saw the man with this telescope" may be understood. We understood diversity. Next, limitation and change of surface structure analysis. Although surface structure analysis is a useful tool for language comprehension, it is not without limitation. One problem is that a sentence surface structure does not always correctly convey its content. Idiomatic phrases such as "kick the bucket" possess a deeper meaning that cannot be extracted only from their superficial structure. For more complex sentence with several clauses or embedded structure called required more in-depth research then can be achieved using surface structure analysis. Their idiom have a deeper meaning beneath their surface level construction. So complex sentence it called be necessary to do more than only analysis the surface structure of complex phrases with several clauses or embedded structure. Next. Conclusion and future surface structure. Understanding surface structure is essential to comprehending the formation and interpretation of sentence. Future surface structure research is probably going to concentrate on delving further into the relationship between surface structure and deep structure, examining the significance of content in the interpretation of surface structure and creating increasingly advanced techniques for breaking down complex phrase structure. Next, in part 2, this is solve the problem. Their sentence is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The is determined, quick is Adjective brown is noun, fox is noun, jump is verb, over is phrase, process is determined, lazy is adjective, dog is a noun. So determine adjective, noun, and noun is noun first. So determine adjective, noun is noun first. So phrases, phrases, and noun phrase is preposition phrase. Verb and verb and preposition phrase is verb preposition. So noun phrase and verb preposition is sentence and text. Udah